Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Greenworks 40 volt battery not charging, blinking red light causes and solution. Fix 1 is let the battery cool down. Remove the battery from the charger, then place it in a cool, dry area for 30 to 60 minutes. Do not place the battery in a refrigerator or freezer. After it has cooled, insert it back into the charger and check if starts charging. Second one is perform a quick cycle reset. Remove the battery from the charger, then wait for 30 seconds. Press the battery indicator button once. Reinsert the battery into the charger. Check whether the charger light changes from blinking red to normal charging. Third one is clean the battery and charger contact. Unplug the charger from the power outlet, then remove the battery. Wipe the metal contact on both the battery and charger with a clean dry cloth. If there is a dirt or corrosion, gently clean it with a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol. Let everything dry completely before charging again. Fourth one is perform a hard charger reset. Remove the battery from the charger, then unplug the charger from the wall outlet. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. To discharge any stored power, plug the charger back into the working wall outlet. Insert the battery and check if charging starts normally. Thanks for watching.